කොහොමද පැටවුනේ 2016 question එක බැලුවද fraction question එක අපි එහෙනම් අද 2017 එක බලමුද okay කලින් වගේ මම screen එක share කරන්නම් you have to take 10 minutes exactly 10 minutes then take 10 minutes and try to do the question after that pause the video and then try to complete the question using 10 minutes after that you have to watch the discussion okay right give me 1 second I will share the screen. All right. Hope that you can see the question. It is 2017 fraction question. You can take the past paper book and do the question using it, or you can use the screen. Anyway, take 10 minutes, hold the video, pause the video, and take 10 minutes and try to do that question. Your time has been started now. Right. All right. Done. Finish. Okay. Shall we discuss whether your answers are correct or wrong? බලමු answers ටික හරිද වැරදිද කියලා. Right. What about they are saying? A household water tank is completely filled with water. 1/10 of the water in the tank is used to water the garden, and 1/4 is used for the bathing. 1/10 of the water in the tank is used to water the garden. Let's write the details. 1/4, sorry, 1 out of 10. This is for the garden, water the garden. And another 1/4 that is used for the bathing. Another 1/4 that is not from the remaining. That is from the total. That is from the total fraction. That is from the total capacity. Another 1/4 has been used to the bathing. All right. Then they're asking about find what fraction of the water in the tank is used water and garden. Water the garden and for bathing. Total fraction of watering the garden and bathing. No, we have to add them together. We have to add them together because they're asking about total fraction. 1/10 should be added with 1 out of 4. 1/10 should be added with 1 out of 4. What is the common denominator? 10 is there, 4 is there. What is the common denominator? Easily we can make 20. Multiplying it by 2. Here multiplying it by 5. We can make 20 here. 20. 2 out of 20 plus 5 out of 20. Then answer become numerators will be added 7 out of 20. 7 over 20. That is the total fraction. 7 over 20. Alright. පුතේ රෙකෝඩින් එක බලන කට්ටිය කමෙන්ට් එකක් දාන්න අනිවාර්යෙන්. තව ඉම්ප්‍රූව් වෙන්න ඕන දේවල් මොනවද තියෙන්නේ ඔයාලට ඕන සජෙෂන්ස් ඕන දෙයක් කමෙන්ට් කරන්න. There is no issue. You can comment anything. Then of the remaining water in the tank, 4 out of 13 is used to wash clothes. 4 out of 13 of remaining. 4 out of 13 of remain used to wash clothes. I will write short form wash. They're asking about find what fraction of the water in the completely filled tank is used to wash clothes. Now this portion is from the remaining water. They're asking about from the total tank which portion has been used for the washing clothes. 4 out of 13 of remain. Therefore we have to calculate the remain fraction remain. Now what the fraction has been used? 7 out of 20. From the complete one, subtract 7 out of 20. Then remaining portion become 13 out of 20. No, remaining portion is 13 out of 20. Wash clothes. From that remaining amount, another 4 out of 13 has been used. 4 out of 13 of remain. Remain is how much? 13 out of 20. Of mean multiplication. Of mean multiplication. Of mean multiplication. Now you can cut the values easily. 13 and 13. 13 times 1, 13 times 1. 4 and 20 divided by 4. 1. 4 times 5. Then answer is 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 5, 5. Answer become 1/5. 1 upon 5. From the total capacity, 1/5 has been used to wash clothes. Fine. Now find what fraction of the tank remain filled now. Now they're asking about what is the remaining fraction. Earlier, this much of portion has been remained. Now another 1/5 has been used, no? Therefore, from the 13 over 20, I will subtract 1 out of 5. Instead of that method, you can use from the complete tank, you can remove the fractions already used. Garden and bathing, 7 out of 20, plus wash clothes, 1 out of 5. Add them together and subtract from the completely one. But I will use that method. From the remaining, before washing clothes, from the remaining, I will subtract the fraction used for the wash clothes. Then 13 out of 20 subtract 1/5. That's become, by making equal denominators, it's become 20. Here also multiplied by 4. Then what is the remaining fraction? 13 over 20 subtract 4 upon 20. 13 subtract 4, that's become 9, no? Answer is 9 out of 20. Answer become 9 out of 20. This much of fraction has been remained, no? When another 500 liter of water is used for kitchen requirements, 1/4 of the tank remains filled. Find the capacity of the tank in liters. That means, now if you consider the tank in this manner, now what is the fraction remain? 9 out of 20. Okay, this much of fraction has been remained. Now what happened? Another 500 liter has been used for kitchen requirement. Then 1/4 of the tank is remain. Kalu පාට පෑනකම්. Now another 500 liters has been used. Think about this is the fraction that has been used. This is the water amount that has been used. We don't know what is the fraction, but this is relevant to 500 liters. 500 liters. Then remaining portion, blue color can leave, remaining portion. That portion is 1 upon 4th from the total tank. Now 1/4 has been remained. Now 500 liter has been used. We don't know what is the fraction of total capacity. We can identify this is which kind of fraction from the total tank. How to identify it? Earlier there were 9 out of 20 remain. After using it, 1/4 has been remain. Now to get that used portion, subtract them together. මේ තිබිච්ච ගානේ මේක remove කරා නම් හරිනේ පුතේ. Therefore, to kitchen requirements, how to identify it? 9 out of 20 subtract 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4. To make equal denominators, multiply it by 5. Okay. Now 9 over 20 subtract 5 over 20. It's become 9 minus 5, 4. 4 over 20. 4 over 20. We can write in simplest form, no? Divided by 4, that's become 1/5. The remaining portion is 1/5. Sorry, not the remaining portion. Used for the kitchen. Kitchen eකට use කරපු ගාන 1 out of 5. Now this is similar to 500 liters. This is the 1/5 of the total tank. Now it is equal to 500 liter amount. Then how to find the capacity? How to find the capacity? 1/5 portion. One portion is similar to 500 liters. Total capacity is such kind of 5 portions. That should be multiplied by 5. Then this one become 2500 liters. That's become 2500 liters. Okay, that's become 2500 liters. Fine. හොඳටම තේරුණාද? කිසිම අවුලක් නැද්ද? නැහැ. බලන්න පුතේ දැන් මේ ඩීටේල්ස් ටික ලියාගත්තා, ඩයග්‍රෑම්ස් හඳගත්තා, මෙව ඕන කටුකොලයක හදාගන්න. දැන් ස්ට්‍රක්චර්ඩ් ක්වෙස්චන් එකෙන් හදන්න තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මේ ටික ලියන්න ඉඩ මදිනේ. වෙනම සෙපරේට් ෂීට් එකක් අරගෙන මේ වගේ ඩීටේල්ස් ටික ලියාගන්න. එතකොට ගාන ලේසියෙන් හදාගත්ත හැකි ඔයාලට. බලන්නකො බෝඩ් එකේ ලස්සනට ඔක්කොම ටික පිළිවෙලට තියෙනවනේ. හරිද? හරි ඔය විදිහට දිගටම අපි questions ටික discuss කරමු. ඔයාලගේ තියෙන suggestions අනිවාර්යෙන් වීඩියෝ එකට දාන්න, comments පුළුවන් නම් දාන්න. හොඳ හෝ නරක දෙකෙන් ඕන එකක් කියලා දාන්න, කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ඒවා මම බලන්නම්. මොන හරි ඔයාලගේ තියෙන suggestions තියෙනවා නම් එවන්න. අපි ඊළඟට කොහොමද 2018 19 ටිකක් discuss කරගෙන යන් හිමීට මම මේ free time වලදී record කරලා upload කරන්න. තව exam එකට දවස් කීපයක් තියෙනවනේ. මාස ගාණක් තියෙනවනේ. 200ක් විතර වගේ තියෙන්නේ නේ. 26 බබෙක් නම් ඔයා මේක බලන 2026 ලියන බබෙක් නම් තව දවස් 200 ගාණක් වගේ තියෙන ආසන්නව 210ක හරි 200ක් ඔය කිට්ටු වෙන්න. හින්දා පිළිවෙලට වැට්ටික් කරගෙන යන්න. බැරි දෙයක් තිබ්බොත් අහන්න පුතේ. ඕන දෙයක් තිබුණොත් අහන්න ඕන කෙනෙක්ට සපෝට් එක දෙනවා. හරි. යාළුවන්ටත් ෂෙයා කරන්න අමතක කරන්න එපා. අපි මේ ටිකේ වැඩ කරලා මැච් එකක් ගහමු. උලම උපරිමේ කරමු. 0 ලෙවල් එකේ හිටියත් හීරෝ ලෙවල් එකට එන්න පුළුවන්. කිසි ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. හරි එහෙනම් okay ආයෙ හම්බෙමු වීඩියෝ එකකින්. Okay see you again. Take care. Stay safe. Goodbye.